End-of-year sales, a guide to holiday bargains. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a popular topic that you've probably heard a lot about, especially if you're interested in shopping and saving money. End-of-year sales. These sales are a big deal in many countries, and understanding them can help you make the most of your shopping experience. So, let's get started. End-of-year sales are special discount events that occur towards the end of the calendar year, primarily in December. Retailers offer significant discounts on a wide range of products to clear out their old stock and make room for new items. These sales are famous for their incredible deals and are a key part of the holiday shopping season. The main reasons for end-of-year sales include: 1. Inventory clearance. Stores want to clear out unsold items before the new year starts. 2. Tax reasons. Reducing inventory can sometimes provide tax benefits to businesses. 3. Attracting customers. The holiday season is competitive, and sales are an effective way to attract shoppers. To truly benefit from end-of-year sales, consider the following tips. 1. Plan ahead. Know what you want to buy to avoid impulsive purchases. 2. Compare prices. Check different stores to find the best deals. 3. Understand return policies. Be aware of return policies, as they may be different for sale items. In many cultures, end-of-year sales are more than just shopping events. They are a tradition for families to shop together, an opportunity for people to buy gifts for loved ones during the holiday season, a time for festive decorations and special events in shopping areas. End-of-year sales are an exciting time for shoppers around the globe. They offer a chance to buy desired products at reduced prices and enjoy the festive shopping atmosphere. We hope this video helps you understand and make the most of these sales. Happy shopping, and see you in the next video.